This thing has been sitting here since last November.
Yeah.
Today is Big Chicken Day.
A time to be thankful. And thankfully I found this VHS on thankfulness at the local O'Reilly's.
Has anyone seen my marbles? I think I lost them somewhere back in here.
Okay, so, like, anyways.
There's nothing to be thankful for. Nothing in this stupid world. My life sucks.
What are you talking about? This world is great, and also life is that. And awesome. There's so many things to be thankful for. Because, well, there's so many things to be thankful for. Like puppies. Oh, God! But an unreasonable amount of help. This is so unnecessary and unfunny.
You know what I'm thankful for? That tree is shaped like an A-OK symbol.
Show
And-
image of when it actually looked like one.
It still does. It looks like an A-OK symbol. Only from our vantage point, from this door. If this isn't solid stinking proof that God loves us, I don't know what is. Speaking of trees, how's Big Tree doing? What?
Oh, what?
What Big Tree?
He was got shorter.
I wrote a poem about the loss of a love. We lost a big tree. Since our wonky infancy, it was with we. Yet no longer it stands over there. Where did the night take it while no one watched? Left not a trace from every eye it was blotched. We lost a big tree. And how does this clear? A two-time tree vanishing clear. And there's not a single soldier other than the woman still the... Is that a mozzarella bag?
It's Big Chicken Day.
We already said that.
Chips,
Yeah,
You share this?
we have ketchup chips.
This is a delicacy, passed down, and the recipe is passed down in my family for generations. You see, you can't see the recipe. It is secret. Stop it! Stop it!
Take a picture.
Stop!
Why would you mass produce it and put the
Mass
ingredients on
produce?
and put
This
it?
was just baked in my home kitchen today.
Really?
One day, yeah.
With the,
on Big Chicken.
Why'd you name it Kettles and why'd you put it in a bag and label it? You could just put it in ugly pots like that.
Clearly, you do not know art.
Art?
Art.
What's art?
Art.
Art to get out of my house.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. Look at this. Oh no. Oh no. Welcome to Guess the Flavor with your host. That's the flavor. This kid has to guess it. Smell it and guess the big flavor.
I can't smell.
Mother! What is this?
Daddy brought it some kind of bread.
Oh.
I don't know, it's fine.
Father, what is this?
This is the Kamalama Homola olive oil loaf.
What? Big chicken recipe.
Shut up. Shut up.
Play Freebird.
So this is what I did this morning.
Alright guys, we have big chicken. We also have some more big chicken. Okay, and then some more big chicken. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's so much big chicken. Oh, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Do we have anything other than big chicken? Oh my gosh. Oh my. Ooh. I mentioned I'm sick.
Hey guys, I'm touching the phone with my chip fingers. Yummy.
Gosh, never mind.
Yo, pass me some salt.
I'm full. I'm excused.
Man, who made this big chicken? It's dry. Ah. 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 Did you make this big chicken?
No.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Want a dried cranberry?
Guys, we need to talk about something serious. Nobody celebrates Big Chicken Day anymore.
No one in the entire country.
No one. Not a single soul. It's an epidemic. People go immediately to Christmas, straight after Halloween, and leave no space for a big chicken in between. They have meat. Look at this. This was up the day after Halloween.
Big Chicken Day spirit, I'm talking. The Big Chicken Day spirit is dwindling. What else can this poor soul feed off of?
You look up top 10 Christmas songs and you know full well these are all seared in your mind. And you look up Halloween songs, and I mean, like, you probably heard these in some Goodwill radio or something. But Thanksgiving songs, what the heck? No one's heard of these? Wait, why isn't Gobble Gobble in here? I think we should take a moment to appreciate this.
But even he does it wrong. Look at this offensive line he says at the beginning. Like, during the beginning. There! Look, he said. Okay, here's this. And then there's none. There's nothing. There's Christmas songs, there's fireplaces, there's nothing. There's never a Big Chicken Day song ever again. This guy lied to.
This leaves us with only one choice. We must save the Big Chicken Day spirit.
Okay.
Hey.
Yes.
Thanks.